Cheetahs are one of the fastest animals on the planet, but it's not just their speed that makes them amazing. They can accelerate faster than a sports car, reaching 100 km/h in just 3 seconds. Their flexible spine, powerful muscles, and long legs help them maintain this incredible speed. And they never roar like lions. Instead, they purr, chirp, and make twittering sounds to communicate with each other. Those tear marks under their eyes also help them spot prey from long distances. Write in the comments, would you like to be this fast?